If you're watching this right now, it's not by chance. The universe knows exactly what you need to hear. Take a moment and look at your reflection. The face staring back at you has experienced countless struggles, wiped away tears, and kept moving forward, even when things seemed impossible. The year 2024 challenged you, pushed you to your limits, and maybe even broke you down. But here's the truth. What felt like an end was actually a new beginning. Every moment of doubt, every setback, every silent battle you fought wasn't a roadblock. They were stepping stones, each one taking you closer to your destiny. Just like a tree's roots grow deep in the soil before it can reach the sky, your struggles have been laying the foundation for something much bigger. I can recall a time when I sat alone, feeling as though I had nothing left. But that moment of breaking was actually the moment of my greatest breakthrough. And right now, you're standing on the edge of your own. The universe doesn't make mistakes, and every tear you've shed has made you stronger. Every door that closed was simply making space for something far greater. The pain you've been carrying, it's transforming into power. The darkest moments of your life always come right before the sunrise, and that sunrise is closer than you think. Take a deep breath. What you're feeling right now isn't fear, it's anticipation. The next chapter of your life is about to unfold, and it's going to be even more incredible than you could have ever imagined. If this message resonates with you, save it. Because when your breakthrough happens, and trust me, it's on the way, you'll want to look back on this moment and remember that you didn't stumble upon this by accident. You're ready. Your time is now.